Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. This is a look that I feel is gorgeous and it's perfect if you want to go out and you really want to stand out. You want your makeup to like catch everyone's attention, so I feel like this is perfect for that. And I will show you an easy way to apply this and I will explain every step in case you're a beginner and you want to recreate this look. So I really hope this tutorial helps you. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you do like this look. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows using the Maybelline FIT ME concealer and Anastasia's flat brush. You can skip this step because it's not necessary for eyeshadows. And if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I'll leave the link to my tutorial in the description box below. I'm going to apply the same concealer on my eyelid and use that as a primer for my eyeshadows. Now this is an important step for eyeshadows. This helps to even out the tone on your eyelid and it doesn't get greasy or oily if you have oily eyelids. This helps to avoid that. And if you don't have a sponge, you can easily blend out the concealer with your finger and tapping motions. This is pretty quick and easy to do. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is Stoned Vibes from Urban Decay. I have used this a few times because, I mean, look how gorgeous the shades are in this palette. Ugh, I love it. So for this look, I'm going to use this eyeshadow first using Profusion brush. And I'll apply it in tapping motions on my crease. And I'm going to go from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's going to look like a rainbow. And to blend it out, I'm going to take off the excess powder, and then first I'm going to go in tapping motions on the edge of the eyeshadow that I just applied on the crease, and then I'm going to start blending it out in circular motions. I use a light hand. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure when you're blending out eyeshadows. And it does help if I stretch the eyelid by lifting up my eyebrow to blend out the eyeshadows faster and easier. So you can see that the eyeshadow did slowly move higher, closer to the eyebrows, and that's exactly what I want, but I don't want it too high. I want it exactly where it's at right now. And you can see that it's not that well blended out. So what I'm going to do is grab a little bit of my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and a fluffy brush, apply that on the brow bone to set the rest of the concealer, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to start blending out the eyeshadow, and you can see that it looks a lot smoother, softer, and it's blending out the eyeshadow, but just on that exact spot it did not move higher. This is a trick that really helps me, especially if I'm using dark eyeshadows. I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line using a smaller brush because I just want it right under the lash line, and this is going to go from the inner corner to the outer corner, making sure I connect it to the eyeshadow on the top. And then also for the outer corner, I want that part to be round, so I'm just going to blend it out in circular motions. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia eyeshadow primer for the base of the shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to create the cut crease. I'm also using Anastasia's flat brush, and to start off you do want to use just a little bit of the product on the brush. I like to apply it first on my eyelid and then slowly start creating the cut crease, and just little by little I'm going to go higher. You don't want to start by doing the cut crease too high because maybe you don't like it and it's going to be pretty hard to go back. So start lower than where you want the cut crease, and I always keep looking at the other eye just to make sure that they're even. And for this part, sometimes it does help if I stretch my eyelid too, so the cut crease can be really nice and sharp. And the outer corner does have to be blended out really good in order for the eyeshadow that you apply on top of that can also blend out nice. I like to blend it out using the same brush. I just don't grab more product, and just whatever's left on the brush, I just go in tapping motions. Then I'm going to grab this gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow using another flat brush, and I'm going to apply this on top of the primer. You don't want the primer to dry up too much because then the eyeshadow is not really going to hold on to the eyelid. And then you don't want too much product. You don't want it to be too wet. So as long as it's still pretty creamy, that's when you apply the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do it in tapping motions. The eyelashes that I'm going to apply are from EyesomeLux style Bella. These are very simple. I wanted simple ones so it doesn't cover up too much of the eyeshadow on the eyelid. So I feel like these are perfect. Or you can just curl your lashes and apply mascara and your natural lashes will look really nice. But don't forget to check out my website. I'll leave the EyesomeLux website in the description box below in case you want to check them out. And that is the final step to complete this look. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family if you did like it. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye!